So we just sold this property today in the land business. We made 15.7 thousand. It's called instant drone photos. So we're gonna call this the $250,000 question. Later at 3 o'clock, I have a very scary surprise that's about to happen here. Today's gonna be a huge day, but we're gonna start with a smoothie. This is a triple berry smoothie with protein, collagen, dates, chia seeds, goji berries. Oh my God. This is so good. If you set a goal and then you're not working towards it, then you feel anxious. Every day you need to do a 1-minute plank, and every week you're gonna add 10 seconds. But people feel anxious about goals when there's a disconnect. You have a goal and you're doing nothing to achieve it. And that's why every goal needs a plan. So we just sold this property today in the land business. We made 15.7 thousand, so like right under 16K. So inside of Land Insights, we actually filed a patent for a new feature. It's called instant drone photos. And so literally inside of here, you can take any piece of land in America. So here's an example property. This is in Polk County, Florida. And so we are able to instantly generate these drone images with the lot outlines and everything ready to go that you guys can use for your listing. I mean, if you look at the detail on this photo, it is insane. And the crazy thing is the deal that we sold today, that property's been up for 4 days on market. Yesterday, we got another deal that we listed and we had 3 verbal offers in the same day. And even the realtor said, this is the best listing I've ever seen. And the crazy part is it's all coming from the Land Insights platform. And so what we've been seeing this year between this instant drone photo feature, and then we also shipped what's called deal flow. So between these 2 features, our average days on market in our land business this year is 21.75 days. That means it takes us 22 days to actually sell a deal. That's insane. That's insane. Like the typical land investor shoots for 90 days. Is how do I get started in this business with no money or little money or whatever classic example you want to use. So we're going to call this the $250,000 question. And the reason that we're going to call it that is because yes, you can absolutely make $250,000 your first year. You're going to get first, I'm going to call this a data list, okay? And this is our ownership data. You can use a tool like Land Insights. There'll be a link down below. It's free wherever you want to go. We need to go and get ownership data for people that own pieces of vacant land. From there, we then need to get that list and we're going to skip trace it. And so we're going to do another little piece of paper with phone numbers and emails and things like that. Apologies for the bad diagram, but you get the point. You are going to want to make sure that you run what's called a DNC scrub. Do not call. Very, very important. The reason this is important is that there are people in America that have raised their hand and gotten on this list and they say, don't call me. And if you call them, there could be a serious fine. And it's fucking annoying. So don't call people on the DNC list. I think it's bad taste. Cue the montage. Also this week, I was boxing with my coach and I threw a left hook and then a left uppercut and I tore something on the outside of my ankle, like right on the ball of my ankle. And it is so sensitive, man. I could just feel something go like that and oh, it's painful. So if there's any foot doctors out there and you want to know how to fix this or you know how to fix it, let me know.
Ready for painful massage.
I know, yeah, it's gonna be a hard one, man. We'll see how it goes.
All right.
I got reviews that this is the hardest massage in Bali. We'll see if it's true. I like a hard massage. Okay, we just finished the massage. It was insane. My body's on fire from this like ginger powder sauce thing from all the different Indonesian islands. I gotta take a shower. My crotch and my butt are just in flames right now. I also got the cupping done. Oh, it was so painful, like right in here. Oh my God, crazy pain. But really good, man. Probably the best massage I've had here. We need what's actually called the dialer. So this is a multi-line dialer. So what a dialer allows us to do is we can upload our skip trace list. You can put 1,000 records in there or whatever, and then it automatically dials them for you, so you don't have to manually dial them. Now, some of these dialers that are very slick, they'll also call 3 people at once, or 5 people at once, or 10 people at once. Then whoever gets picked up, they get routed to you. Now, obviously with the script, the opener is everything. So how you open that call really matters. If I was calling T-Vaughn here behind the camera, I wouldn't call him and say, hey, is this T-Vaughn? The T-Vaughn would say, dude, buzz off. You sound like a weirdo, you sound like a telemarketer, don't call me. But if I went, hey, T-Vaughn, what's up, man? How's it going? T-Vaughn would be like, good, do I know you? Yeah, no, sorry, this is actually Sumner giving you a call. Hey, do you got a second? I'm calling you about that 5-acre out in Costilla County. Yep, that one. Yeah, I was thinking about, we've been buying land out there, and frankly, I may be interested in making an offer on your property. Anyways, you get the point. Now, a very small percentage of the people that you talk to are going to be ready to do business with you right now. Those people are going to move into a CRM. This process right here, one person could make 250 grand in their first year. That is not hyperbole. That's God's honest truth. At our front door, I just went out and we had a bag of cookies left here. And I just realized this really sweet couple that Sarah and I met at the gym, and then we ended up having dinner with them last week. Actually at the same restaurant that we were at today, which is kind of weird. And they're like, do we make the best cookies ever? And I'm like, I love cookies. I'm a cookie connoisseur. If there's any way you could ever make me cookies, I would be so flattered to try your cookies and give them a review. And then they ended up dropping off a bag of cookies the next week later. It's so sweet, man. Little thoughts and just acts of kindness. They probably don't know, but the ripple effect that had on my heart, just to be that attentive and that kind and drop off cookies, that's really fucking special, man. I don't know, that really stood out to me. All right, we just had an amazing froyo, and it's so funny, when we moved here, Sarah immediately told me, she said, babe, I really want to open up a froyo store. And I'm like, no, you already run a great business. We don't need to open a froyo store. That sounds so stressful. Well, come to find out, this place called Mio here in Bali opened up a froyo store, and I was talking to one of the employees, and they're doing about 500 to 700 bowls of froyo every single day. And I think a froyo here probably costs on average $8 to $15. So if you do the math, they're absolutely crushing it. So maybe Sarah was right all along, to be honest. If you watch this video, you go back and you re-listen to the section about cold calling to get your first deal. If you join Leah below, our team is running a full one-on-one strategy call when you join, where we will map out your land business over the next 12 months. We'll show you all the things you need to focus on, break down all the KPIs, give you a very clear roadmap, and of course you're going to plug into all of the coaching inside of Leah 2.0, and you'll be working alongside me to build your land business. So you'll find the link below. I bid you adieu, sending you love and good vibes your way from Bali, Indonesia. I'll see you in the next one.